Hi, all the Bean Scene visitors. This is Kristica, and I'm going to give you a little tip on some drinking in Costa Rica. When we first moved here, I was a beer drinker, and I loved my beer. So, the Imperial did not love my stomach. So, it did upset my stomach a little bit. So, I was like, I've got to make a change. I have to make a change with a couple things. I need it to be not add a lot of extra weight, be easy to order, and I should be able to drink about 27 of them a day. So I came up with the vodka salad. The vodka salad is vodka, soda, and as many limes as you can fit in the cup. So that's what comes out to the vodka salad. It starts out with 1 or 2 limes, but through the night you get more and more and more limes, creating an abundance of salad. So drink up, everybody. Next time on the Bean Scene for more drinking tips. All right, everybody. This is the end of my vodka salad. I don't know if you see it, but there are like probably 86 limes here. So anyway, I did not drink 86 drinks, but there's a lot of limes, and I would love to cheers my friend Amanda.
Hola, Amanda.
Yes. So this is the way to make a vodka salad.
Vodka salad. Vodka salad. Vodka salad.
To go.